many erasers. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a popsicle. White color, pink color. Wow, ice cream. White color, yellow color. A burger. Do you like them, kids? Wow, a cola drink. Wow, so many things. Do you like it, kids? Let's open it.
Wow!
Do you know that they all are erasers? Let's play. This is a tree. You can also separate its parts. Brown color, green color. This is also green color. A pineapple. Yellow color, green color. This is sweet corn. Light yellow color, green color. This is a banana. Light green color, light yellow color. Wow, a teddy bear. A yellow color teddy bear.
No. Wow!
So many colorful fishes. Let's open it. One, two, three, 4. Total 4 fishes. Let's play with them. Orange color, white color. You can also separate their parts. Blue color, yellow color. Violet color, white color. Do you like it, kids? Yellow color, sky blue color. Kids, wow, a baby monkey. Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts. Light green color, white color. He is listening songs. Do you like it, kids? Now join them again.
Wow! Wow!
Now keep it aside.
No.
Oh wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is purple. Second color is pink. Third color is blue. Our fourth color is orange. Fifth color is sky blue. Sixth color is green. Our seventh color is yellow. Eighth color is light green. And our last color, ninth color is red. My favorite color. Which is your favorite color, kids? Let's write alphabets. Green. J. J for joker. J for also jackfruit. J. Red. K. K for koala. K for also kiwi. K. Purple. L. L for lizard. L for also lamb. L. Our next color is yellow. M. M for mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. What is your favorite fruit, kids? Sky blue. N. N for nuts. N for also nightingale. N. Next color is pink. O. O for octopus. O for also orangutan. O. Blue color. P. P for puma. P for also pencil. P. Orange color. Q. Q for quarter. Q for also question mark. Q. Our last color is light green. R. R for rat. R for also Robin. R. Now say with me, kids. J K L M N O P Q R. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.